Hi friends, welcome to our English channel. Friends, we know that the knowledge of prepositions is essential for every student and job aspirant. And the topic prepositions plays a significant role in English grammar. Friends, so now let us deal with some questions on prepositions. Now let us start our test. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. The first one, Amaravati is the capital city dash Andhra Pradesh. The correct preposition is of. The capital city of Andhra Pradesh. The correct sentence is Amaravati is the capital city of Andhra Pradesh. The second one, Banu goes dash school by bus. Here go to. We usually say go to school, go to village, go to Vijayawada like that. Here you have to write to after the word goes. The third one, Chandni said that she was very much pleased dash my work. Here the correct preposition is with, pleased with. When there is pleased you have to write with. Therefore the correct preposition here is with. Fourth one, it is better to get a cab if you are out alone dash night. Usually we write the preposition at before the word night. Therefore the correct preposition is at night. Fifth one, the mango harvest in AP lasts dash April to June. Here when there is to you have to write from April to June. Otherwise you have to write between April and June. Both are correct. When there is to you have to write from, and when there is from you have to write to. In the same way, when there is and you have to write between, and when there is between you have to write and. These are the correct combinations. Sixth one, let us meet at the restaurant dash 7 p.m. It is the exact time. Before the timing, exact times you have to write yet. That is the correct preposition in this sentence. Seventh one, Mohan likes to drink coffee dash the morning. When there is the morning you have to write in the morning, in the evening, at night. You have to learn these phrases. Eighth one, Lalita bought the dress dash 2000 rupees. Here the correct preposition is for. Lalita bought the dress for 2000 rupees. Ninth one, we have a party dash his birthday. Here the correct pronunciation is here the correct preposition is nothing but on his birthday. Before days you have to write on. Now the 10th one, what are you doing dash the weekend. Here you have to write during the weekend. The correct answer is during. 11th one, the trees here are beautiful dash summer. Here summer is a season. Before seasons like summer, winter, autumn, spring, you have to write in. Therefore the correct preposition here is in summer. The next one, I have been waiting for you. I have been waiting for you dash 7 o'clock. Here have been waiting is nothing but present perfect continuous tense. When there is perfect continuous tense, you have to write since or for. Since is for point of time and for is for period of time. Here 7 o'clock is the point of time, so we have to write since. The correct preposition here is since. 13th one, Sugna hung her family photo dash the wall. Hung her family photo on the wall. Therefore the correct preposition is here on. The next one should have respect dash one's own parents. Respect for. The correct preposition is for here. The next one, participation dash games and sports should be made compulsory in schools. Here the correct preposition is participation in games. Here the correct preposition is in. The next one, the game usually lasted dash the Younger boys are called home to bed. Here you have to write till or until. Both are right. You have to write one of the two prepositions, either till or until. The next one, Sacha is feeling sorry, dash is bad temper. We usually say sorry for. When there is sorry, you have to write the preposition for. The next one, Vama is very sure, dash making profits in this business this year. When there is sure, you have to write of. Sure of making profits. Here the correct preposition is of. The next one, Konasema is a pleasant place surrounded dash green fields and trees. Here surrounded with. Here the correct preposition is surrounded. Here surrounded with. You have to write with in the blank. The correct preposition is with. As there is surrounded, as there is the word surrounded, you have to write the preposition with. The next one, in hide and seek, I always used to hide dash two wooden cupboards. When there are two objects or persons, you have to write between. When there are more than two, we have to write among. Here there are only two wooden cupboards are there. Therefore, you have to write the preposition between. The next one, students are anxious dash their results. Anxious about. You have to write the preposition about. The next one, an MNC is looking dash good marketing personnel. Looking for is here in this context. For is the correct preposition. The next one, we will fight dash corruption with full strength. Here you have to write against. Fight against corruption is the correct. Therefore, you have to write the preposition against in this sentence. The next one, the opening speech will be made dash the principal. Made by the principal. Here the correct preposition is by. The next one, John warned his son to keep away dash bad company. Keep away from bad company. Therefore the correct preposition is from. The next one, Anita has left dash Delhi to see her friend. Left for Delhi. Here the correct preposition is for. Left for Delhi. The next one, we walked dash a narrow line. Walked through a narrow line. Here the correct preposition is through. The next one, 28th one, greatly disappointed, the little boy burst out into tears. When there is burst out, you have to write into. Burst out into tears is the correct phrase. Therefore, the correct preposition here is into. The next one, Aruna has not seen her friend dash her wedding. Here, her wedding is point of time. Here, her wedding is point of time. Therefore, you have to write since here. Then 30th and the last one, Shrestha always sits dash Sonika in church. Here the correct preposition is besides. Besides means by the side of. Shrestha always sits dash Sonika in church. Here the correct preposition is besides. Besides means by the side of. By the side of Sonika. Thank you very much for watching this video. I see you in my next video. Dear viewers, please watch, like, share and subscribe our English channel so that I can make more videos on spoken English also. Thank you one and all.